I appreciate it.
A mystery.
It's amazing how
your patience with me, God will never leave.
you don't give up on me.
Don't ever leave.
Help me
to see like you.
No matter